take. Okay. Did you know the Earth is the only planet not named after a Roman god? My purpose today is to inform you about the arguments for and against the flat Earth theory. Although I was taught the Earth is round, after hearing about the flat Earth theory, I conducted research which revealed many new viewpoints. Some of you may reject the flat Earth theory and some of you may support it. After today, you'll have enough information to help you support a side. I will begin by presenting ideas that support the flat Earth theory, and then those that oppose it. With our roadmap in place, let's begin. There are two main reasons people support the flat Earth theory. The first reason is their belief in religious texts. According to the article Postcards from the Edge, author Emily Sanger claims many support their idea with religious texts. Rob Sibka, a filmmaker and author, was quoted as saying, "Bible passages describe Earth as a flat circle, not a ball, and having four corners." This demonstrates how a flat Earth supporter is taking a literal interpretation of a religious text. Secondly, they are skeptical of mainstream science. In the article Flat Earth 101, author Omar Moalem, a journalist who attended the 2018 Flat Earth International Canada Conference, asked why the United Nations, NASA, and other agencies would deceive the masses by promoting the idea that the Earth is not flat. He responds to this by saying, "Many conventioners speculate it was purely power and greed, a controlling device used to turn us into mindless consumers." This proves flat Earth supporters are skeptical of science that is taught in schools and widely accepted. With the reasons for supporting the flat Earth covered, let's turn to the reasons for opposing it. There are two reasons people oppose the flat Earth theory. Their first reason is based on the laws of gravity. According to Johnny Wagner, author of In Defense of Flat Earthers, he states, "Earth is a sphere because gravity causes objects to become spherical over time. With science's current understanding of gravity, the flat Earth is impossible. This shows that gravity from the mass of matter has pulled Earth into a sphere, and flat earthers misinterpret the physics of gravitational pull." The second reason is the visibility of star patterns. The article Round Earth Clues, How Science Proves That Our Home is a Globe, published by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, states, "The pattern of stars changes as you move north and south." The article then goes on to describe how the North Star is not visible from the southern hemisphere, and if the Earth really was flat, it would be visible. This shows that star patterns change with location, which would not be the case if the Earth was flat. In conclusion, the debate over the shape of the Earth has many scientific and social aspects to it. Let's review what we've learned today. First, we learned two reasons why people support the flat Earth theory, to include the interpretation of religious texts and skepticism of mainstream science. Flat Earth supporters abide by religious texts that state the Earth is indeed flat, and they are skeptical of government science as they believe it is used to control the general public. Secondly, we learned two reasons why people oppose the flat Earth theory, to include gravity and the visibility of star patterns. Those that oppose the flat Earth theory believe the laws of gravity prove Earth is spherical and the star patterns prove it is flat. Whether you agree with or oppose the flat Earth theory, it is clear some people hold polarizing opinions on the topic. From today's speech, you now have insight into the main points of each belief, and they will help you decide what you choose to believe in.